What if I told you that every potato you've ever eaten has a mother, and that mother is a tomato? This isn't science fiction. This is evolutionary fact. For centuries, tomatoes and potatoes have lived separate lives on our plates. One juicy and red, the other starchy and brown. But deep in the Andes Mountains of South America, scientists unearthed a secret buried for thousands of years. A genetic trail that leads back to a single ancestral plant, long before farming began. Using cutting-edge DNA sequencing, researchers discovered that potatoes didn't just evolve. They split off from wild tomato-like plants. Tomatoes didn't just give us ketchup. They gave us fries too. Botanists call them cousins. But genetically, potatoes are more like tomatoes' rebellious child. According to a 2023 study from the Max Planck Institute, early wild tomatoes adapted to harsh highland climates. Instead of focusing energy on fruit, they went underground literally, developing tubers for survival. This natural mutation changed history. Farmers in ancient Peru began cultivating these tuber-producing plants, and over generations, they became the potato. Dr. Sandra Knapp of the Natural History Museum calls this one of the most fascinating plant evolutions ever witnessed. Two global staples born from the same seed. Think about it. French fries and ketchup, two products from the same bloodline. It's not just quirky trivia. This discovery could revolutionize crop science. Shared DNA means shared resistance. Breeders are already experimenting with tomato-potato hybrids, plants that grow tomatoes up top and potatoes underground. They're called tomatoes. Imagine supercrops, more resilient, more sustainable, feeding a growing world. So the next time you dip your fries in ketchup, remember, you're tasting two parts of the same forgotten ancestor. A story written in DNA, hidden beneath our feet, and rediscovered only now. Question is, how many more secrets are buried in the foods we eat?